The second way that black people can make money online is by being a marketing coach for rappers. And I'm smiling because it sounds stupid as hell, but I can tell y'all this right now. This side hustle is how I was able to leave my 9-to-5 job 4 years ago, and I ain't had to think about it since. This side hustle completely changed my life. My ducks, my swans, welcome to the pond. As you know, in our community, everybody want to rap. You probably got 15 homeboys in your phone right now that have dropped a song over some point in their life. And most people fail at this because they don't know how to market. For a lot of y'all, you might not know how to write songs. You might not know how to make beats. You might not know how to engineer. But there are other aspects of the music business that artists need help with. And marketing isn't just specific to the music business. Marketing covers every single thing that exists in this world. So if you learn those principles of marketing, you can help an endless amount of artists. For those y'all that have been watching my journey, you follow me here on YouTube, you follow me on Instagram. For my OG Ducks and Swans, you follow me on Periscope. You saw the climb. You saw what I did. You saw how I was getting a whole bunch of followers and how my videos started taking off because I was giving so many music marketing tips that everybody wanted to follow me. They wanted to get all these gems, and I was helping put money in other rappers' pockets that I never even met before. If I put money in your pocket, or if I helped your song get more streams, or I've gotten you more views on social media, go ahead and write that in the comments below so people can know how real that this truly is. When I had my music marketing, coaching business, whatever you want to call it, it was entitled Group82music.com. And what we did, we set ourselves up as a one-stop shop for any rapper for whatever they needed. So whether it was a biography, a website, a beat store, a Wikipedia page, one-on-one coaching, and of course, Spotify playlists. I was able to take $300 from my 9-to-5 job and invest it into Group82music.com. I bought 6 Spotify playlists and I turned that $300 into $300,000. Here's the proof right here. If y'all want me to do a video completely breaking down how I built Group82music.com from scratch, how I bought those Spotify playlists, what to look for Spotify playlists, go ahead and write that in the comments below because I really want y'all to understand the opportunity that's here because I got out of it. And the reason being is not because it wasn't lucrative, as you can see, is because I had other things that were taking up my time and that were making me more money, and I really want to expand my business. But for some of y'all, this can be something that you focus on. The market is massive, and the market share is taken up by me and only me. So if you want to be somebody who is a music marketing expert and you want to be a marketing coach for rappers, there's one place you need to go, and that's Group82university.com. I got a how to market your music on social media course, and it gives you every single thing that you need to know to help an artist go #1 on iTunes, to help an artist get millions of streams, to help an artist get verified on social media platforms, to help an artist make this type of money from a side hustle and to make almost $1 million on their own. If you can learn those principles and you can relay them and teach them to another rapper, you will make forever money, and you'll be elevated where you'll start speaking on panels with Paul Wall, and you'll get your content shared by Kevin Hart and all these things I've had happen to me. So I'm telling you, this is real. And I'm one of the few people on YouTube that can actually talk about this because I did it and I have receipts. So please, if you want to be a marketing coach for rappers, click the link below and enroll in our How to Market Your Social Media course at Group82university.com. What questions do you have about marketing your music? I know y'all see me say people got stupid questions and all that, but I'm not gonna give y'all that energy today. If you need your music marketing questions answered, write your questions in the comments below. I'm gonna scroll through the comments, I'm gonna answer a few, and hopefully it'll help put some money in your pocket.
Group82university.com.